Hi all, welcome back to channel. Today we are going to discuss how to apply Israel visa from UAE. And from UAE, there are two options for applying Israel visa. If you're staying in Abu Dhabi and you are the resident of Abu Dhabi and Alain, and you can able to apply the visa with VFS. So this is the official portal for VFS. And if you are staying in Dubai and you are Dubai resident, and you have to submit in Dubai with DSR Global DMC. So this is the official website for the Dubai resident, especially for Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, and Al Quwain. All these Emirates have to submit with DSR Global DMC. In Abu Dhabi, and Alain resident can submit in VFS. This is the official website for BSR Global. This is a requirement for the Israel visa, and we can check from here. And here we can see visa application form for Indians. This Indian have separate application. We can check for Indian. And for e-visa actually only possible if you are staying in India. Then we are eligible for applying e-visa. For if you are staying in other country, then we have to go with normal procedure. From here we can see how to apply for Indian. And from here VFS website, select here UAE and Israel, take me to website, and it will be redirect to the official website. And from here we can see apply for the visa. Click on apply for the visa, and here we have to select identify visa type, and from here we can get all the details. So here you can see just select here what type of visa, B2 tourist visa, and here we can see visa fee how much. This is a visa fees 100 AED, and there will be additional charge for appointment. And here documentation requirement, you can see from here list of document for B2 tourist visa, medical insurance required. Okay, and here we can see these are documents required for applying from Abu Dhabi. And application passport, old passport copy, 2 photo, and travel insurance, vaccination certificate, NOC, business owner need a company letterhead required registration certificate, last 6 month bank statement, copy of family book, okay, proof of property, okay, isolation quarantine form, flight and hotel ticket, national ID. Okay, so these are the requirement for applying the visa. And here we can see the application. This is the application form for Israel visa. We need to download this form and fill it, and like that. And they mention here, please note all the nationality mentioned below are required to fill out visa application from given at the end of the list. So these all nationality required to fill different form. This is a form for this nationality. Okay, so make sure when you are taking application form, check first here on the basis select. Okay, and we need to fill one more form, that is isolation and quarantine. So due to this COVID restrictions still they are following. The director of health service. Okay, so we just need to fill it this detail, and we also attach with the application this form also, kind of health declaration. So we can see for processing time how long take. Processing is till 15 working days generally. Certain nationalities take up to 16 calendar days. Processing time is very long. And for booking appointment, we can go through this option and you can book the appointment. So this is a way to apply Israel visa from VFS for Abu Dhabi resident. And if we are staying in Dubai, we discuss it's in Israel visa. Okay. So this is a sender for Dubai. Welcome to Israel visa processing center. BSR Global DMC. How to apply visa? From here we can see, okay, requirement and submission of visa application and collection of passport, applicant travel representative. Okay, processing time of category will be minimum 30 working days. Very long processing time. And yeah, visa fee also we can check from here. Visa fee for B2 visa 101 AED. Okay, an appointment fee additional 92, consulate fee 92 AED, and service charge also 184 AED. This is normal condition, and they mention for Indians and other nationality different forms. Application form for B2 visa we can check any different. Yeah, the form is same. There is no any different in forms. And here we can see other nationality. Other nationality also similar. This is other nationality. Yeah, it's same. For application and documentation and everything is same, either in Dubai or Abu Dhabi. Only the sender is different. For Abu Dhabi, you have to go through the BSR Global. Sorry, in Abu Dhabi you have to go through the VFS, and in Dubai you have to go through BSR Global. That is a different agency for Israel visa. So any doubt or clarification, you have to contact them, and they will tell you how to apply all the visa. Hope you guys understand how to apply Israel visa from Dubai. Any doubt, you can put on comment. We'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.